Yeah. Oh, god dang, I gotta zoom in so it can see for the TV better. Okay. Yeah, this is white noise. Yeah! I got him! Oh, you ass! Oh well, let's do this. And we're still gonna do it on Nightmare because we're not because I'm pussy.
We got so close to get 8.
We got 6 last time, but then my freaking thing stopped recording, and it was a 17-minute long thing anyway, so it probably wouldn't have even uploaded it. My name is Richard. I have more sanity, less evasion, which is not good, and more flashlight
I
life.
have more scatter on minus scout and evasion.
What does scout mean?
Michael Jackson in. He looks like Michael Jackson in like.
You look like a douchebag biker who's in high school and fucking does.
Minus scout.
I don't even know. You look like a douchebag. You're spiked up and everything.
Yeah, you are my orange.
Wait. I think I might be able to hear it.
Whee!
Ooh, a big. I can definitely hear one now. Are you ready for this? Oh. Are you ready to get chased down and hunted and fucked? Okay, where are you? I hear you. Let's go. Where are you? There you are. Okay, this is we're fucked. Okay, let's go.
Wait, help!
There's nothing there. 1 second. Protect me. Make sure I don't die. I gotta check something. Okay, then it's good. That's what I mean. Oh Jesus! Let's go this way. Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Where's he at? What? Yes, this is getting uploaded to YouTube. It's gonna be recorded. I need to get one of those hot flash things though. I want to get one for my birthday. Yes. No, just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Yeah, this is Morse code for we're gonna die. Okay, let's get this way. Oh, dude. Okay, this is Morse code for This is Morse code for just kill me. The monster's behind you. He's not there anymore. Let's go this way. Oh, just keep swimming.
Ain't that magic?
This game is definitely easier than Slender. Ooh, I see a tape recorder. Charge. Penis. It's like the tape recorder is just like a porno audio. It's like what? What? I don't care. Let's go this way. This map is just like Slender. I'm gonna turn off my flashlight so I can like make it out. I'm gonna look up the sky. It's beautiful. Beautiful stars. Oh hey, we went right into a graveyard. Haven't we been here already? We definitely have. A green thing? Where's the green thing? What is there's no green thing. We were definitely here. This is where we picked up our first tape recorder. Let's go this way. Let's not go that way. Did you just see what happened? You'll see what happened when I upload this video. You're going the wrong way! Wingardium Leviosa. Where is he at? Oh god. Isn't this game just amazing? Oh. Jesus, mother of penis, vagina, ballsack, cunt, titty. You're not dead, are you? I thought you were dead because I heard you guys scream. Peaches. Ah! I know you have no friends, but that doesn't mean you have to stalk people if you have friends. Go back to the mothership. Maybe you'll get friends and fuck bitches. I'm looking behind me anyway. Hurry up.
I have all this leather on.
You have a badass leather jacket. He's like, oh, I don't have to go fast. I have a badass leather jacket. Oh. Oh yeah. Okay, let's go this way. Oh yeah. Just keep swimming. Just don't die. Good fights. Oh, good. Don't tell me we went in a circle again, because it's freaking more tombstones. This map sucks. I like the freaking Founders Hall map better. Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming.
Can't get out there, cuz. Can't get in. Leg out.
I'm beatboxing. Maybe he just needs the power of friendship. Friendship. Don't kill yourself. We actually need to do this though. Oh, why did you just teleport farther away from us? He's a smart one. Okay, I'm gonna ask you to be my light because I'm gonna shut off mine so I can save battery.
Oh god, he got away behind you.
No, he didn't.
He's right there.
Peaches, oh yeah, that's for show. Anybody save the rest if you want to have it. I heard him for a second. I looked to the right of me.
Why the tree moving? Look up.
Trees aren't moving.
He's right at you.
This is terrible. Why do you Let's go. I don't care. Okay, we seriously need to find tape recorders. This is getting freaking boring. Yeah, more graveyards. And we went to the same place. Again! This is amazing. We've been here 3 times. There's nothing there. Oh my god, this scared me. I don't care. Nah. Dude, where are these tape recorders at? I can't find them. Yeah, we can just walk right through the rope. Oh, let's go this way. 10 out of 10. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's the freaking lumber thing. Well, might as well kill myself. Where's the tape recorder? Where's the tape recorder? This way. The wonderful wizard of murder. Oh, it's a green thing. Yeah. Green things are fun. Yeah, it's because it's like, oh, since this game is so terrifying, I figured it'd be more terrifying if we put a terrible movie in here. Oh, mother of God! He became one with the tree once I. That's like, you look at a tree times and stuff. Hey, it's a guillotine.
Where?
Right here, there's a tape recorder here too. Well, you appear to not be able to jump, so we need to figure out a way to get up there. Well,
Okay, where can we jump? Okay, I'm right here.
Well, there's another way to kill ourselves. Might as well, since you know we're gonna die anyway. Let's go this way.
That's 8 out of 8. Please get like 1,000 likes.
There's no way we're gonna get 1,000 likes. 10 likes would be good. 10 likes would be a lot for me. This is a long video. This is already like 12 and a half minutes long. Drop the bass cannon. Oh, hey, he's dropping the bass on us. So that's how he's gonna kill us. He's dropping the bass on us, beating us up with a friggin' bass guitar. What?
Bass cannon. If you guys know what bass cannon is, it's always a printer. Hi, Lord. Ah, dang it!
Fuck you. Fuck your couch. Why did? Oh, look at these. Look at these things. Look there. It looks like dog sex fucks. What are these things? Dude, they have boobs. There's another green thing. There's another green thing over there. Dude, look at the tape recorder around here. There should be one. Dude, what's up?
I'm dead.
Demonic green thing. Look for the tape recorder around there while I go elsewhere.
Wait, look at the monster.
No thanks. He's not even near me. Oh, there he is. Fuck your old house, nigga. My another one. Fuck. I died. We sucked that time. We sucked.
You found like 6 out of 8.
Yeah, we just sucked that time.
Page 8, 9/11, and so that.
I found 3 tape recorders and found 0. My guy screamed 3 times, and your guy screamed 3 times as well. Now let's look at this awesome replay on the action.
Yeah, I got it. Come on.
Yeah, when we started, we started there, and then we just fucking, and then we found a tape recorder there. Yeah, that's what the puzzle piece means, and then, yep, and then we found the dude. That's what the exclamation marks are. Oh, found him again. Oh, found him again. Oh, found another tape recorder.
Guys, we cannot tell this. We cannot get away from each other or we'll go crazy. Like amnesia.
Yeah, if you go too far away from each other, it'll say it's dangerous to go alone, and you'll like die in like 10 seconds. And the gray ones, I mean, when Crazy Ape Douchebag spotted him, and the freaking red ones are when I spotted him. This is the most intense replay ever.
Look how much.
I feel like you're about. We look at us. We walked around in circles for like 5 minutes. Oh, that's where you're dead. Oh, we're dead. White noise. Yeah, we did so good. We did so good. Yeah, so good. What's that nightmare difficulty though? So yeah, 16-minute video. This is a long video. Penis, dick. Crazy is gay. Bye.